So I just want to show you another great feature that's on Hub. So once you've signed into your main page and your platform looks like this, click once again on Just Too Easy. I'm just going to shut down these ones at the top. And it'll give you this page here. And I have added a new app to this page. I've actually added twice, so I'll have to delete one. If you click on this colourful grid section here, which is your library, it gives you another huge long list of online learning platforms, and you can add these to your launch page. So there's a great one here. I've added Teaching Monster to Read, which is really good. Another good one is Scratch. That's for coding. And that runs from age 4 to 14. There's some great activities on there. They've also got, if I just scroll down, Count On is another great one. Fact Monster is really interesting. National Geographic there is very, very interesting for children. Enrich up here then. There's some great problem solving activities on there. Then there's lots then for older children as well. There's BBC Bite Size is also linked on there. So if you find one that you think, oh, that looks a good one, so I'm going to do Scratch Bebop. Add it to your buttons. You just click on the add. There we go. Go back now to your page. You might need to refresh it for it to show up. Click refresh and there's your Scratch Bebop. So that's added then onto your launch platform. So you can add as many of those as you like. And then when you go into it, your Hub page the next time, you think, oh, we'll do a bit of reading. Then you can just click on the button and there's your new activity. So enjoy exploring.